In this video we will talk about how to make ginger drink to reduce pain, arthritis, bad cholesterol and high blood sugar. Ginger has been traditionally used in the holistic medicine for centuries, as it is high in useful components that help in the treatments of multiple ailments and health conditions, like arthritis and stomach disorders. Today, we will tell you a recipe of a special ginger drink which soothes pain, regulates bad cholesterol and high blood sugar and treats arthritis. It is known as ginger beer, and you can prepare it at home, from some lemon juice, a bit of sugar, and fresh or dried ginger. Numerous studies have confirmed the potent capacity of ginger to alleviate back and muscle pain, as well as chronic pain, and degenerative or rheumatoid arthritis. Here is how to prepare it. Ingredients: 200 grams of peeled and finely chopped ginger, lemon slices, several drops of lime juice, 225 grams of sugar, 450 milliliters of filtrated water, 115 milliliters of sparkling water. Method of preparation: pour the filtered water into a pot and bring it to boil. As soon as it starts boiling, add the ginger, lower the heat, and cook it for 5 minutes. Then, leave it aside for 20 minutes, and strain it. In another bowl, dissolve the sugar with a cup of the filtrated and boiled water to prepare the syrup. Mix 1/3 a cup of it with 1/2 cup of ginger juice and 1/2 cup of mineral water. In the end, add the lime juice and some organic honey to taste. You can garnish it with lemon slices. These are the health benefits of the ginger beer. It soothes pain and inflammation. It helps digestion. It calms stomach upsets. It fights flu and common colds. It regulates cholesterol and blood sugar levels. It prevents cancer. It boosts blood circulation. It prevents cardiovascular issues.
Let us know in the comment section. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.